What are you doing April 21st and 22nd? Hey, this is fellow Toastmaster Darren LaCroix, world champion speaker. I'm inviting you to join us for the District 24 conference. Come on down, let's have some fun. Hey, I got invited to be your opening keynote speaker, but who am I? What's my story? Great question. Hey, back in 1992, long before I found Toastmasters, I took a Boston comedy stage and bombed miserably. It was horrible. Fast forward to 2001, I outspoke 25,000 contestants from 14 countries to become the world champion of public speaking. I'm coming to open the conference, 17 minutes to your dream, how to become the leader people love to follow. It's going to give you a simple, usable strategy to take what you know and look at it a little differently. But this is a Toastmasters conference. It's not just me. We're coming for you. So who else is going to be there? Well, on Friday, we're also going to have Kim Myers, Regional 4 International Director, great friend of mine. She's awesome. You're going to love her. And Dana Swarner, you're going to love her too. She's going to be talking about from piano teacher to entrepreneur with lessons from Toastmasters. And on Saturday, you're going to get insights from Chris Nielsen. Improvisational tools to improve cooperation, communication, creativity, collaboration, and leadership. I love improv, and if there's an improv session, I'm there. You'll also get insights from Jim Emery, improving sound and effectiveness of your voice. Our voice is our tool. Come and get some insights from Jim. And finally, Robert Cravallo. I apologize, Robert, if I'm pronouncing your name wrong, but I have known him for years, an accredited speaker, and I love his program. I've seen it before on a hostage negotiator providing tools to manage conflict in everyday life. So come join us live or online. Get some new friends, reconnect with some old friends. But join us for the District 24 conference. Be there. Register now.
Check out StagetimeUniversity.com, where good presenters become unforgettable.